Stop scrolling if Siem Reap is on your bucket list. Here's your ultimate 5-day guide. Day 1. Start at the iconic Angkor Wat at sunrise, then cycle to Bayon and Top Rom, soaking in the rich history and stunning architecture. Day 2. Explore lesser-known temples like Bantay Shrey, known for intricate carvings, and finish with a night market stroll to pick up unique souvenirs and handicrafts. Day 3. Embark on a boat tour of Tonle Sap's floating villages, witnessing daily life on water. Then sample street food at Pub Street. Don't miss fish shamak and spicy lok lak, two must-try Cambodian dishes. Day 4. Dive into Khmer culture at the Angkor National Museum, then join a local cooking class to master authentic Cambodian recipes. Day 5. Relax with a rejuvenating spa session, then discover Siem Reap's vibrant nightlife at Miss Wong or Asana Bar. The best time to visit is November to February for cool weather, but May to September offers great flight deals and fewer crowds. Most places accept US dollars, and English is widely spoken. Visa on arrival is available for many nationalities. Stay at mid-budget hotels like Chronicle Encore, Viroth's, Khmer Mansion, Jaya House, or Golden Temple, all highly rated by travelers. Don't miss your journey home. Grab last-minute gifts at Made in Cambodia Market for authentic souvenirs.